My fellow investors, are you getting rattled right now? Are you getting a little nervous? Well, you shouldn't be, because it's time to go shopping. Gather up some cash, bring along some bags, because this is the time to load up and buy more of those assets that you've been wanting to buy at a discount for a long time. Well, now you have the opportunity. You shouldn't be getting nervous. I'm not nervous. This is just testing your conviction in what you are investing in. If you believed that what you're buying is good for the next 5, 7, 10 years, then that hasn't changed. Nothing's changed. Correction in the market is not going to change your conviction in what you believe in long term. So has anything changed from, here to last month? No. The only thing is the prices have come down. This is why I teach the benefits of being an income investor, because we have cash coming in and we are able to buy. When these opportunities present themselves, we have cash available and we can buy in. And that's what I plan to do. So what am I looking at buying now? Well, I can't pass up this opportunity for Misty. Bitcoin dipped into the 80s. I don't know how long it's going to stay there. And I don't anticipate it's going to be in the 80s long. So, it could fall a little bit more. It's hard to say, but I think, just dollar cost averaging in over the next few weeks is probably the way to go. And just accumulate more shares and then enjoy the ride back up. So when we have these big drops like this, kind of think of it like a roller coaster. You go down that big, steep decline. You're screaming on the way down, "Oh my God, my Misty, what's going on?" But then you hit that hill on the other side, right? That's kind of what the market tends to do. When you have these huge pullbacks like this, it tends to recover rapidly. So that's what kind of I'm anticipating, is this drop, but then a fast ride up, back up the hill. So it dipped below 20 last night. I believe it's after hours. And I just have to buy it up. I have my own personal goal of accumulating so many shares this year, and I'm trying to hit that mark. Now, if I were to diversify, some of the other things I would look at is single stock, maybe TSLP. Tesla's been just taking a beating recently. But I still believe that, over the next 10 years, it's going to perform really, really well with the new products coming out. If I wanted to really diversify, I would look at GX. It was the only thing that was green, and it was very, very slightly green yesterday, but the only thing in my portfolio that was green. It has some emerging markets in there. It's not 100% US based. They have Israeli investments in the fund. I think that's why, sometimes it will do better than, say, even the S&P or the Qs, because of that added diversity. And another thing that has been doing really well, and it was green up until just yesterday, was FEPI. In fact, I would say the other rec share funds are doing really well too. I'm really impressed with it. AIPI has also been doing fairly well. And, FEPI pays right around that 25% mark. So every month you're getting that, that nice dividend payout. It's pretty consistent. The NAV is pretty stable. I mean, you can't expect it to do well in the climate that we're in now, but yeah, overall it's done really well. So those are the things I'm looking at buying into this month. While everything's at a discount, I'm going to enjoy the sale. I'm not worried. I still have conviction in what I own and what I invest in.